Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser in your smartphone, and here you need to search for web.telegram.org. Hit enter and search for the Telegram, and you simply need to log in into your account, and then you simply need to select the desktop side. As you can see, then you simply need to click on three bars, and then you need to click on settings. So once you are in settings, so let me zoom in so it is more visible to you. Then you simply need to click on privacy and security. Okay, here you simply need to scroll down, and in the bottom you will find an option to enable sensitive content. So currently I am in that country where that option is not available, but if you are in those countries, you can easily turn on the sensitive content. So this is a process by which you can turn on sensitive content on Telegram. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.